in the
Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawatomie River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawatomie River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swanee River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swanee River to Apalachicola,
Okay,
Florida,
so I now
from
see
20
what
to 60
failed.
nautical
That
miles
died.
until 6 p.m.
That-
Eastern Daylight Time.
just as that's
At
it.
4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight
then
Time,
16:30.
strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of K Tower to 12 nautical miles southeast of Buckeye Reef to 22 nautical miles west of Swanee River, moving northeast at 15 knots. Sea Tower reported a gust to 30 knots as this line passed.
Whoa!
Southern portions of the line show signs of strengthening. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, buoy.
Whoa!
Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy
So someone actually
downpours.
reported the marine one
Make
for
sure
once.
all on board are
Instead
wearing
of
life
TA
jackets.
just using their radar.
Locations impacted include Buckeye Reef, Horseshoe Beach, K Tower, and Marker 24 barge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawatomie River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawatomie River to Apalachicola, Florida.
Okay, I'm gonna reset up that for 800 here. Finally!
Florida from till 6.
I don't care about the time, I never look at it anyway. Damn it. Darn it! You know,